days after winning elected office. A Republican politician in Indiana pleaded guilty to trying to sexually assault a woman in Las Vegas and now must resign his position. John Jessup, commissioner of Hancock, Indiana, is at the center of one of the more bizarre tales to emerge from the down-ballot 5 November elections across the U.S., as noted by the local Greenfield Daily Reporter newspaper and class. Authorities in Nevada charged Jessup, 49, in June in connection with a sexual assault that occurred in January. But he remained in office as a county commissioner, ran for a seat on the Hancock Council, which is a distinct elected body, and emerged as one of 3 victors after collecting about 15,000 votes. Jessup's satisfaction with his victory, secured while he was under house arrest in Nevada, may have been fleeting, however. Records show he pleaded guilty in Nevada court on the 13th of November to attempted sexual assault, which is a kind of felony that can carry multiple years in prison, according to state law. Indiana prohibits convicted felons from serving in state or local elected offices, though a decisive majority of its voters on the 5th of November helped vault Donald Trump to a second as presidency just months after a New York City jury convicted him on felony charges of criminally falsifying business records. Therefore, Jessup must resign, unlike Trump, who has also faced multi-million-dollar civil penalties for a rape allegation that a judge determined to be substantially true. Jessup on Monday told The Guardian that he must fill out certain paperwork before he could step down. The county council chair had mailed him those papers, but they had not immediately arrived, said Jessup, who is awaiting a sentencing hearing tentatively scheduled for April. According to what Jessup told the Daily Reporter, he was prepared for prosecutors to argue that he deserves between 8 and 20 years in prison. Jessup reportedly said that his attorneys were going to seek a sentence of probation. "It's been my greatest honor serving the people of Hancock County, and I'm deeply ashamed and profoundly sorry for the shame that I brought to the county," Jessup told the Daily Reporter. An affidavit obtained and reported on by the outlet said Jessup's criminal charges came after he flew to Las Vegas with a woman in January. Multiple witnesses allegedly told authorities that Jessup got the woman intoxicated by constantly feeding her Long Island iced teas. Purportedly, as Jessup repeatedly said the famous slogan, "What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas," she became so intoxicated that she needed a wheelchair to get back to her hotel room. There, she recalled showering well clothed, and her immediate next recollection was waking up naked as Jessup sexually assaulted her, authorities wrote in the affidavit cited by the Daily Reporter. The woman reported the assault to police in just a few days, and authorities arrested him in Indiana in June before extraditing him to Nevada. According to the Daily Reporter, during an interview with investigators, Jessup acknowledged that he fucked up and spoke of taking his life, yet also maintained that he had not done anything criminal. Jessup posted a $100 bond to await the outcome of the case against him under house arrest in the Las Vegas area. In a statement to the Indiana news outlet Wixon, a Republican Party official in Hancock County denied that her organization had any role in Jessup's case until the legal process concludes or he resigns. Mr. Jessup decided to keep his name on the ballot after charges were filed, Janice Sylvie, Hancock County Republican Party chairperson, said in a statement. He later verbally and via text committed to resigning if elected. Sylvie added that the local Republican Party would arrange a caucus to fill Jessup's position once his resignation takes effect. Hancock County is part of a region that includes Indianapolis, the state capital. It has a population of about 80,000.